Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best kitchen island for home use you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Americana Black and Distressed Oak Kitchen Island. If you're looking for a premium pick when considering kitchen island ideas, the Americana Oak Kitchen Island by Home Styles is exactly what you need. It comes with a combination of solid hardwood and engineered wood, which denotes durability, while the antique brass finished hardware adds a unique and elegant touch. The drawer slides open with ease, and with multiple drawers and cabinets, there's plenty of storage space that you can additionally arrange using a kitchen drawer organizer. We'd not advise assembling it yourself though, as it's likely to cause you at least a little frustration if you go it all alone. Key features: 3 colors, extendable shelf, solid hardwood and engineered wood combination, 2 drawers, 2 cabinet doors. Pros: antique brass finished hardware, easy glide storage drawer, raised details, convenient side shelves for smaller items. Cons: not suitable for assembling by yourself. Front doors do not close as easily as we'd like. Number 2. Hodetta Kitchen Island with Spice Rack. With a range of color options and plenty of space for small appliances as well as pots and pans, it's easy to see why the Hodetta Kitchen Island with Spice Rack, towel rack and drawer is our best choice of islands for a kitchen. It offers a variety of useful features, including handy wheels that make it easy to move around, and the high-quality compressed wood ensures exceptional durability. Despite this, you might struggle with the assembly, especially if you're by yourself, and while the spice and towel racks are useful, they don't feel too secure. Key features: range of color options, space for small appliances, pots, pans, etc. Drawer for utensils, wheels to facilitate movement, high-quality compressed wood construction. Pros: spice rack and towel holder, locking caster to fix position, space for microwave on top, sturdy and durable. Cons: assembly is a little frustrating, spice and towel racks don't fit securely. Number 3. Casual Home Kitchen Island with Solid American Hardwood Top. A kitchen island is a great addition to any commercial place. These kitchen essentials not only help in boosting the overall functionality of the kitchen space, but are also helpful in improving the aesthetics. The unique collection of Casual Home Kitchen Islands makes for a great addition to any commercial kitchen space for improved practicality. The basic unit is small and sturdy and consumes little space in your kitchen area. Moreover, there are multiple shelves in the unit for improved storage, design and size. If you are looking for extra storage or counter space in your kitchen area, this kitchen island by Casual Home would make for the perfect addition. In addition to making it possible to store multiple items on the go, this kitchen island is also great for enhancing the overall decor of your commercial kitchen. Measuring 36.5 inches high, 20 inches deep, and 40 inches wide, and weighing 50.25 pounds, this lighter-weight unit can be moved easily from one place to another as per convenience. The unit is made up of top-grade solid wood top for delivering improved durability. Moreover, it also helps in enhancing the longevity of the unit. The kitchen island looks immensely attractive as it is available with a clean white finish. The strong wooden legs of the unit help in delivering great stability and strength. Special features: with this multi-purpose kitchen island you can be assured of ultimate convenience and storage ease. A large handy drawer is present that you can pull out easily. The stainless steel handle of the drawer makes it easier for you to get a grip on it and access the needed items conveniently. Number 4. Americana White and Distressed Oak Kitchen Island and Stools. This distressed style sustainable hardwood kitchen island comes in different color combinations of white with oak colored top, black with oak colored top, fully black or fully white, with 2 matching high back bar stools. Design features: in terms of dimensions, it measures 49 wide, 26 deep, and 36 high, and weighs 75 pounds, so it's very much a stationary island. It also features a clever drop-down table extension which gives you more space to use as a breakfast bar. There's also antique nickel handles and knobs, 2 full cupboards with adjustable shelves and open shelves on each side, as well as 2 drawers for extra storage. The stools have a 360 swivel feature and are 41 high. Pros: great extra storage space. Table extension especially useful for temporary space. 2 bar stools are an added bonus. Cons: in the higher price range, larger pieces of furniture only for larger kitchens. Buyer impressions: buyers found it to be an attractive and solid piece of furniture and loved the storage space it gives. They generally found it easy to assemble. Some mentioned a problem with alignment of some holes and doors, but these were easily fixed. Stools can be difficult to assemble, though, so keep that in mind. Bottom line, this is an attractive piece with great storage. It does require care in assembly, but is well worth the effort. Number 5. Liberty Off-White Kitchen Cart with Stainless Steel Top. Key features: hardwood and engineered wood combination, 0.8 mm thick stainless steel top, 2 adjustable shelves, brushed nickel hardware, 2 locking casters. The Liberty Off-White Kitchen Cart with Stainless Steel Top by Home Styles includes hardwood and engineered wood combination to balance quality with affordability, and its stainless steel top is perfect for hot pans without damaging the surface. There is elegant brushed nickel hardware, while wheels make it easy to move, while the locking casters keep it stable and in place. We found, however, that the wood could split a little too easily, and you may find it difficult to secure some bolts, which raises questions over the sturdiness. Pros: easy to clean and maintain, easy assembly, 3 storage drawers, towel bar and spice rack. Cons: wood can split too easily, difficult to lock some bolts. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.